Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Here you have Miss Scorpio Queen here. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We're about to get into this thing. Make sure y'all share that thing. We got some cucumbers with some ranch. We had an incident with the biscuits, but yeah, they're supposed to be the Red Lobster biscuits. Like I said, some cucumbers and ranch. Here, I had that in my thing. And then, you know, some little seafood. We got some crab legs. We got some lobster tails. We got some sausage, some potatoes, some eggs. And we're about to eat. And excuse me if y'all hear little stuff in my background and everything, you know. Because I got my windows open because it feels so good outside right now. And I'm sorry I ain't been posting like I should. I'll try to do better with that. My lobster tails is down here somewhere. These little lobster tails. They're little, but okay, so guys, my knuckles is a little I ain't go to my one place I usually go to, y'all. I went to another. Oh no, I went here before on here. Y'all know I went to the, I don't really like their crab legs, so. Like I don't, because they're always so little. They're little. But yeah, so whatever. Hey y'all seen my little baby potatoes? They're so cute, ain't they? Little baby potatoes. That's hot. And I made this sauce spicy. Okay, taste good, yeah. Yep. Taste is all the way there. Like that. So look at that, baby fatty. Barely any meat. I made with that one, huh? Excuse me. I only had 2 lobster tails, but I'm stuck in them. Like I said, I got my windows open so far in the noise. You just don't cooperate. This one probably ain't gonna cooperate either. They good though, y'all. But see, I wanted king crab, and this is king crab. Sorry about that if it blocked me, guys. You know. And y'all getting all the raw and uncut footage because I don't know how to edit it. So, don't judge me. I ain't got time to be fighting because 9 times out of 10, me fighting with it when I finally get to it, it ain't gonna be no meat in it. Exactly. This is it. Nothing. This is it. Mm-hmm. Ooh. Oh, that was nice. And y'all, it's crazy because I really wanted this too. And I really missed you guys. So I was like, forget it. I'm gonna go ahead and make it. And mess with my people. Cause I know I've been getting y'all been telling me like, you know, we're getting impatient with you not posting. And I'm like, that's not good. It ain't good for y'all to feel that way about me. But it also ain't good for me. It really ain't good for me to have y'all waiting. So it's my fault. So here I am. Whew. Bless me. All the seasoning. I was gonna go throw this on why. That's when we're gonna do that. Even though it's mine, so what? Cause me grabbing it, sneezing on it. Hey, this them potatoes where it comes with little black potatoes, little baby red potatoes, golden potatoes. Thought I got them all out of the zone. They're black. I don't want to eat those. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. But these little itty bitty bitches are good though. Oops. Excuse me. Oh. Oh, we'll tell y'all that. Got the onion and garlic in it. Yes. It's fine, y'all. I gotta save some for my greedy people. Okay. So we mad that I don't save nothing. Because I'm not always saving something. Well, it is time I get full, but see, I'm not full right now. And with the lumpy getting, I want to get my crab legs. Or my lobster tail. I ate them already. Yeah, guys. Yeah, so. And this little piece of meat. Little piece of meat. And cause see, I got some more crab legs, but I think what I'm gonna do, get a crab legs to my wife. Like, the rest of them that's in there, get them to her. Cause me, honey, I'm done. I ate what I'm gonna eat and save some for these greedy things. I know, y'all. I said I'm a saving son. I'm steady eating. But thank you guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share that thing. And tell me how you feel about my video.